I just move entire AI Studio website into GoHighLevel Builder with drag and drop. I heard one of my client, he told me he had website in AI Studio, but he want to move into GoHighLevel Builder, and he want to implement all automations, like he want to implement pipeline stages, follow-ups, missed call text back automations, form follow-ups. He want implement all GoHighLevel features. So I simply move his AI Studio website into GoHighLevel with drag and drop, and he can edit it without code, without any command and prompts. He just need to just do and drag and drop, and he can edit it. Let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how I did it. First of all, I will show you AI Studio website, then I will show you how I built in GoHighLevel step by step. I will guide you as well. You see, my client built lot of sites, but that's the one site that I move here. This one, the master volume contacts AI sites. This is, I will show you first here in AI Studio, and in the second phase I will show you how I build in drag and drop builder in GoHighLevel, and how I set up all automations as well for my client. And you can see here it's totally built on AI Studio with AI prompts. Here you can see the whole prompt he did with AI Studio, and he just designed all page with all automation. I will show you some calculators, some technical things as well on the website, like he have this calculator, and also there is a lot of other calculator on this page as well. I will show you step. You can see these are all calculator. I will show you all these things in GoHighLevel, how I build it, and all are working fine, and everything looks perfect, similar like they have on here with pricing. Even we did some better quality things. I will show you step by step. You can see this AI Studio website. I just built with prompt, and after that he just gave me access of their GoHighLevel, and he told me I need this whole website into build a GHL builder. So let me dive in GHL builder and I will show you how I did in GHL builder. First of all, I will show you these calculator, and I will show you how it's working. And they have pricing calculator, they have some SEO calculator, and even they have some more technical things on the website. I move entire website with each and with all things like animations, color scheme, logos, and everything. I move and I link with GoHighLevel with all automations. So let me dive into GoHighLevel builder. Here you can see I just simply go into site, and I just go into the website area into GoHighLevel, and here you can see that's the volume contact website with 16 pages. I just simply open the website. You can see it's based in a GoHighLevel builder with all these features they have, and here you can see all calculators and everything is working fine. I just move all things from AI Studio, and here you can see you can compare as well. This is AI Studio website, and now this is your GoHighLevel builder website. So it's all things same. Even client asked for a few updates like add video here and add some features. I can did it for him. So let me go back and I will show you it's work with AI builder, not just I copy paste code. I just open GHL builder and it's work. Now here you can see this is with AI builder with drag and drop. You can just simply click and change it according to your requirements. You can update everything here. You can add more features and more designs as well. And I will show you calculators that are working on the live website. I just go back here and I will preview this page, and I will show you all the calculators that are working, and everything is look perfect here, like on AI Studio website. And I will show you another page here, like we can say that SEO calculator page, and I just go here and you can see this is calculator that I built with drag and drop. It's working fine here. And similar, I have this page. On this page we have more calculators. I will show you this one. This is a form, call to actions, and here we have SEO calculator for the roofing business. he built just roofing for roofing business, and here you can see it's working fine for everything you can look, you can put here, like we can say that taxes, just give all leads, and all these things are working fine. And if you want to build storm mode, he built all these things in AI Studio. We have implemented into with GoHighLevel builder, and all these things, with all these things, I just go back into AI Studio again, and all these things I built in GoHighLevels, and I will show you how I build automations as well. And here you can see I build all these pages with AI, with GoHighLevel builder, not with AI Studio. There is a 16 page that I built. You can see this calculator page, dashboard page, missed call calculator, and here you can see system OS, revenue page. All these things page built in a GoHighLevel builder with drag and drop. So I will show you automation as well. If someone submit this form on this website, this contact us form, what happened on a backend, I have complete automation. I will show you. It's loading here. Yeah, for example, I just go here, and you see if they submit form, we have automation, we have appointment confirmation, appointment no show, and long-term nurtures, and also we have still leads as well. And here you see volume, contact, all. When someone submit form, we will run this, and you see we have test all automations as well. I will show you form automation. In the meantime, I have bookings, when someone purchase product, when someone contact, reply, if someone miss call text back, we have these automations, and we have referral automations as well. So here we have built this whole automation system for these websites. Now this whole system is live, and in the next video I will show you how for this client I built snapshot, and he is selling. I built his whole agency. Now he's selling everything to his customer for roofing business. And here you can see AI call outbounding, calling it when someone leads came in it, and start AI calling, outbound calling. And also we have all other necessary automation that are needed to run any business. So that's all from this video. Do you need any help and you have AI Studio and want to move, simply go to leadsflex.com and you can book free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step, or I can move your AI Studio into GoHighLevel builder, and also I will help you to set up your all automations. Thank you so much for watching this complete video. The link in description box below.